We usually think of help as something that happens within the same species, but the natural world is much more amazing. It's full of incredible moments where animals step up to save their friends, or even humans. Join us in witnessing these heroic rescues across species. This antelope's fate appeared sealed, but then the enormous hippo arrived and turned everything around, leaving the antelope forever grateful.
I see. That was brilliant.
Storm is trying to save this baby deer. Storm, bring him in! Storm, bring him in!
This four-legged silent hero is performing an incredible act, and now the little deer owes its life to the brave dog.
Good boy. Good boy, Storm. Good boy, Storm. Good boy.
The story tells of a leopard that, after a survival hunt, stumbled upon something that transformed its actions. Instead of striking, it surprised everyone by caring for the child and protecting it from dangers like hyenas lurking in the night. With the help of a generous hippo, the baby zebra managed to survive the dangerous current. The pit bull's quick thinking saved its little friend from drowning, showing just how smart and brave it really is. Would you be brave enough to jump into a canal to save a drowning fawn? This furry friend knew exactly what to do. In an amazing act of teamwork, two cats helped their injured dog companion by carrying it safely across the road. There's love and support, even between creatures of different kinds. Wow, I just witnessed a brave four-legged hero. The puppy was lucky to be rescued by its guardian angel. That old phrase, like a dog and a cat, takes on a new meaning when you witness a dog coming to a cat's aid. Next is another example of good friendship between dogs and cats. Seeing that black dog with such an amazing friend makes me a little jealous. This horse's courage is incredible. It raced into the fire and stayed until all its loved ones escaped unharmed. That poor chicken would have been a hawk's dinner if the heroic goat hadn't stepped in to help. The little kitten was in danger, surrounded by aggressive stray dogs, until its fearless mother arrived to save it. Wow, the herd instinct of elephants is so clear in this video. They know exactly how to protect their young from dangerous predators.
The babies are always safe.
As the hero breaks the ice to free two trapped dogs, it's the courage of the dog helping its owner that stands out the most. Hearing her baby elephant's panicked scream after its foot got caught in a tire swing, the mother arrived immediately and rescued her little one. In a moment of panic, the mother monkey couldn't figure out how to save her baby from the water jar, but the father returned just in time to help. Have you ever watched turtles come to each other's rescue like this? Next up is another moment of turtles showing off their amazing actions, helping their fellow humans. This guy planned to steal the puppies, but he quickly changed his mind when the brave mother dog showed up. Do you ever wonder how dogs and cats can actually become such good friends? In a daring act, this dog tried to save a cat from the water. Thankfully, they both escaped unharmed. After the Great Flood in India, a heroic mother dog appeared. Despite the danger, she crossed the water to rescue her 2 children. And this is also a heroic mother mouse who had to dive into the water 5 times to save her children in a flooded nest. The mother cat's decision to let her kitten climb solo didn't go well, so she stepped in with a backup plan. As the baby impala bent down for a drink, it tumbled into a muddy hole. Fortunately, some gentle elephants were close by. They offered the little impala the perfect rescue. Wow, I can't believe it. The brave cow just rammed into the car to keep the dog from being run over. The baby monkey's pain mirrors that of its mother, showing their deep connection. The mother won't leave until her little one is safe and free from the tree. Check out this courageous dog that narrowly saved its friend from a life-threatening situation. A great help comes from friends who are not of the same species. The incredible teamwork between chickens and dogs shows how they support each other in everyday life. To safeguard her chicks, the hen fearlessly faces off against the hawk. This hawk certainly didn't anticipate meeting such a determined opponent. The female lion faced a terrifying threat from a pack of fierce hyenas. Just in time, a brave male lion appeared to drive them away and protect her. This is definitely a peace-loving dog. The dog could not bear to stand by and watch his friend of another species in danger. It tried to help the poor fish. Two hungry lions team up to take down a buffalo, and it seems the buffalo's fate is sealed. Luckily, its courageous friends show up just in time to save the day. This lion made a risky choice by hunting alone, ending up surrounded by a pack of fierce hyenas. Thankfully, its family showed up just in time to rescue it from a grim fate. The brave cat couldn't stand by when it saw its puppy friend being picked on. With a determined leap, it rushed to defend its buddy from the big dog's bullying. Here's a sweet moment as the heroic dog leaps into action, saving the little puppy from drowning in the pool. Its bravery shines through in this touching rescue. The panicked hen sprinted away from two barking dogs hot on her tail. Fortunately, her courageous hero appeared and turned the tide in her favor. After a brutal hunt, the wounded lioness found herself cornered by hyenas. In a surprising turn, a brave elephant came to her rescue, saving her life. Look at this moment. You will understand the solidarity and group nature of elephants. The starving leopard stalked a small wildebeest, but met its match in the courageous mother. She defended her young with fierce determination. Oh, what's going on? What a wonderful friendship between a monkey and a cat. The tiny bird was helplessly stuck in the water, but a large bear swooped in like a guardian angel, ready to save the day. Without the yellow dog's intervention, perhaps the two black dogs had a bad ending. Seeing this action, you will know why turtles often travel together in pairs. There is no obstacle that a baby elephant cannot overcome with the help of its mother. This dog's wagging tail may seem friendly, but he's on a serious mission to protect his owner. Watch the incredible courage he shows when he confronts a wild bear. With wild dangers always present in the woods, having a fearless four-legged companion is crucial for your safety. The thief underestimated his challenge, not realizing that the house was guarded by some furry guards who took their job very seriously. The appearance of the white dog immediately stopped the fight. Does this dog's actions melt your heart? The man was just pretending to drown to test his dog's trained skills, and its reaction certainly pleased him. Dogs aren't the only ones who protect their owners. This camel's reaction when it thought its owner was in danger will surprise you. With such a dedicated bodyguard, I am sure the child will never face any danger. I can't help but envy this little girl. Her furry bodyguards are really impressive. That child got the best protector she ever had, and also the best friend for life. Rocky. The dog spotted a mountain lion staring at his owner. He gave chase, forcing the animal to run away. He picked the wrong place to go looking for snacks. These heroes are always ready to protect their home. The quarrel between the two puppies might not have ended if it weren't for the intervention of the German Shepherd. Each day starts with a hot coffee, thanks to the dedicated service of this loyal feathered companion. Look at the cat's actions. Are you feeling amazed? For this dog, keeping the child safe is the top priority. My heart melted watching this moment. Under the heavy rain, the mother dog did everything she could to ensure the safety of her children. Although not blood-related, this pair of geese devoted all their love and always protected the child they had just adopted. It's not just cats that scare bears. A small chihuahua can be just as intimidating. Sometimes body size is not proportional to liver size. These two guys aren't afraid of small dogs. What about this giant dog? After this moment, the dog will surely hold his head high with pride. Don't you think so? Imagine your child with a team of guardians as strong as this one. Wouldn't that be amazing? I'm sure we all wish we had such a friend. What a heartwarming moment, right? Like a fairy tale come true, a Chinese zoo's tiger cubs were cared for by local dogs after their mother abandoned them. The cubs soon treated the dog as their own moms. This mother dog showed us that nothing is greater than a parent's love for their children. For this dog, no one is allowed to violate the child, even if it is her parents. And the same for another dog. With these two hairy bodyguards, she feels really secure every time she goes to the ATM to withdraw money. The dog understood that a hug was what his owner needed most right now. Anyone who intends to harm these children will certainly pay a very high price. Think this video was awesome? Show your support by liking and subscribing, and tell us what you think in the comments. Learning CPR can be life-saving, and this well-trained dog is proof, always ready to help when needed. They may not be in the Guinness World Records, but these horses deserve an award for pulling a car stuck in the snow to safety. Watch how the elephant herd protects their little one. You'll be amazed by their intelligence and unity. I couldn't help but wonder how she was able to train such a talented dog. I advise you not to mess with his owner. The cameraman may not be worried about this, but the dog is not. This is one of the sessions where they train a four-legged hero. This four-legged security guard stopped the cobra from entering the property. Luckily, neither the dog nor the snake were injured. The situation was perilous, but the dog's bravery kept the homeowner from facing something awful. You might think not all animals can bond with people, but this guy proves otherwise. This elephant's wearing a forest ranger's cloak, and you'll soon see why. After enjoying the courageous acts of animals that have become heroes by saving human lives, let us next draw inspiration from the incredible efforts of those who rescue and protect animals. When the environment is polluted, it weakens turtles' immune systems, making them more vulnerable to barnacles. Healthy turtles can shake off barnacles, so if you see one covered, it means they're sick. Take them to a specialist or conservation center. Thanks you for working hard to save these turtles from harmful barnacles. These kind people found two seals trapped in a fishing net. They're trying to free them, but sadly, one didn't survive. This is a stark reminder of the dangers animals face if we don't control our littering. If this man hadn't stepped in, I can't imagine what would have happened to this turtle. We all need to be more aware. It's not fair that our pollution harms animals. We're not the only ones living on this planet, so let's take better care of our environment. A green sea turtle was found trapped in a fishing net in a coastal area. Luckily, this man helped it get free. Really have to learn. So many small actions, big gestures. The stingray was stuck in a shallow puddle. This guy wholeheartedly caressed and comforted him, and then he called a group of people to take him back to the sea. Imagine how the marine animals we don't see are struggling and suffering when their habitat is polluted. This is one of the reasons why we should not throw trash into the ocean. Oh my God, a whale shark stuck in a fishing net. This group of divers worked hard to quickly free the animal. Good thing those guys were there. Wow, I'm amazed at how animals connect with humans. This injured sea lion climbed onto a boat, begging for help because she had no other choice. I'm so happy and thankful to the kind people who understood what she needed and helped her. Oh, you will be more surprised with this moment. Ben has been diving with seals for the last 20 years. They are so affectionate. His interactions with them was as if they had known each other for a long time. Such intelligent and soulful beings. May they stay safe from us. It's amazing how animals in distress seem to sense that humans can help them. Let's make sure we don't disappoint them. This baby moose was stuck between two rocks in the lake. The fisherman was extremely surprised to see that the deer was not afraid at all. In the end, they helped it return home safely. The moment the camel got its legs stuck in the tree for 2 painful days, it became so tired and collapsed. Luckily, 2 men appeared and saved him from the brink of death. This man heard a puppy's desperate cry and found its tail pinned by a porcupine. It was heartbreaking to watch. We are grateful for all the help you have given to this adorable animal. This woman is really kind. She did not hesitate to rescue 6 abandoned puppies, carefully holding each puppy to take care of them carefully and thoughtfully.
Yep. So we got them all cleaned up and warm and gave them water. Hungry. They went to foster really quickly.
The only other way is to get a rope from that end to that end. So he won't let us go in the middle. So we have to walk it. We need to try to get a rope.
This
right
rescue was tough.
pond.
Simon and Josh had to get creative to catch the swan. Thankfully, after some rest and food, it looked much better and was released back into the wild. I really admire Simon and his team for their hard work saving these amazing animals.
Good boy.
You made life difficult, didn't you? River. Look. Very ungainly, but...
Oh my god, the pain of the elephant stuck in the mud hole for 2 days. With the tireless efforts of the rescue team and fishermen, the elephant mother and child were freed.
Yes.
His actions are amazing. He didn't hesitate to save the cow stuck in the fence, and even used all his water to help it. This shows there are still plenty of good people in the world. This guy stumbled across a hawk that was tangled in fishing line on the shore. As he worked to free it, the hawk watched him intently, as if showing gratitude. Thank you. Next, we have a puppy trap between two walls. It got even more stuck as it tried to move. After several failed attempts, the rescue team had to break through the wall to save it, giving the puppy a chance to survive. The fox was stuck for 4 hours, with its mouth entangled in the net ropes. Luckily, a guy appeared at the right time, freed it, and brought it back for very special care.
So he will need a vet check. Yeah. Oh no, it's right, bud.
I can't believe he could fit 2 almonds in his tiny mouth. What a beautiful moment.
Don't go on the train tracks, puppers! Hey, puppy! Hey, you!
When this guy saw a husky running on the train tracks, he dropped everything to rescue her. Thankfully, she was soon reunited with her family.
Oh, buddy. Prepare to meet the sweetest, most...
A cat lost its mother and became afraid of human eyes. But the presence of a kind woman not only gives it a warm meal, but also helps it find brothers.
She's the one in front of the other. I know. He will improve this.
Behind each of our videos is a team of staff who are working hard every day to bring the most engaging content to the audience. We respect each scene and add sincere comments to make each video lively and meaningful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below the video. Goodbye and see you soon.